Hi guys, so it's me, Tensa Bitchin, and today I'm gonna play Longest Answer Wins. Okay, it's kinda loud, I'm gonna fix it. Okay, it's good. So, I'm waiting for the round to start, and if you see it, I'm gonna cry right now. They're friending me. Okay. So, it looks like I have a break for sure. I'm so bored. You see, everyone's playing and except me because I was so late. Oh my gosh! Ooh, I can see you guys. I'm gonna say hi to them. Hey. Okay, this is new. I didn't know the scheme. I didn't know the slide before. And crash swim. Oh my gosh, this is stuck. No! Jumps. This is all like a block that you can't see it. So I need to wait. I'm bored. 1,000 years later. I'm bored. This is too much. Die, guys. Die, please. Only one round. Please do die, please. I need to say die for you because die. Die is the only chance I need to die. Okay, no one's listening to me. I'm so sad right now, and I could go. Oh my gosh, I could go. Oh my gosh, that scared me. No. Okay, there's a block around here. No, I didn't saw that. Wait. Please, can someone help us? Help me, please. Help me. Most of the time I see me in opposite hours and us. It's kind of awkward, yeah. And this is gonna go for a long time, so I need to wait. You know, my avatar looks kind of weird. I do. It's so bad. And next video, I'm gonna change my avatar. Like, I don't know what to change, but I'm gonna change for like awkward noob types. Like a noob people, like a girl noob, like them, like that. And there's like twins. Did you see that? They're really so like twins, huh? Like twins. That's so cute. I'm gonna say hard because I'm hard. No. Easy. Yes. What's the game? I'm scared. Can you think of something that is in hamburger? Oh, I know! Cheese, yeah? Cheese. Oh my gosh, that scared me. Okay, I can't see yours. I don't want to cheat in this game, but I can't. Okay, never mind. What is the best place for someone to study? School. Yeah, school is. School is. I went to school, guys. So happy. And what do you got? Okay, school the same as mine. Name something you might see out on the ocean. Oh, I could see right in my eyes here. Ocean. Okay, no. Water. I'm scared. Oh my god. Okay, what are the types of seasons? What? Okay, today is spring, so I'm gonna say spring. I really love summer, but I don't know why. We are only two. Give one name of the 7 birds. I don't know. Snow White. I just want to say Snow White because I don't know what's that. I just didn't really. Okay. Nobody won. That scared me. What? Name a day in the week. Saturday. day. It's a long one, yeah. Oh my gosh, I'm a taller than. Never mind. I'm gonna say, okay, never mind. I don't have much time to do that. Name what? Name things you bring on a camping trip. Like the lights. Oh my, we don't have much. No, so close. Okay, what does a dog do? Poop. Yeah, girl, yeah. Poop. They always poop. I don't know, so I did that. Did I won? What the heck? I won. What the heck is this game? I hate this game. Okay, never mind. I don't have any. I win 0 because I'm just so dumb at this game. Cry so loud with the dark hair, with a clumsy, ugly clothes, with a boy face. Oh, the game starts. I'm crying right now. Okay, give one name of the 7. What's the question? It's the same question as that round. I don't know. So I'm gonna cry. So I'm gonna say cries. Okay, never mind. It doesn't work. How? What the heck? Turtle. Turtle. I need to win this. You guys know I need to win this 2 times. If I win 2 times, I didn't win. I need to win 2 times. What does a dog do? Poop. I just say to you. I need to win 2 rounds. If I don't, I'm gonna cry. If I don't, it's a bad round. If I don't do it in that time, so if I got so long, I'm gonna cry, and I have to change my clothes. Avatar. What would you think is it? I need to think. Light. Okay, never mind. That was kind of bad idea. Okay, things that are usually found in a bathtub. Bath. What the heck? Tub. Huh? Oh my god! What the heck is this game? I'm gonna cry right now with this game. What the heck? This game sucks. So I need to leave the game first. And have to say to you, who's the Kratos' developer? What the heck? I say developer. I don't say group. I say the developer. What's... Okay, that is him. You're so bad. He's a noob. So he's the creator of the game. That he sucks because he did so much. Not very suck, but a little bit. Christian. He don't have any. So I'm gonna play another game if I say so. So I need to change my avatar because the game sucks. So I did something bad. So what else? I'm gonna do a bad clothes. So what clothes could I use? A bad clothes. I could use this big and ugly something and use this. Wait, this, what this? Okay, I could use the background clothing. And then I choose. Oh, this really looks so cute, but I don't need cute clothes, I need to wear this because it's bad. Well, I was not this one, not this one. What else? Okay, this not about that. Ready? Okay, not that one. Ugly one. You see, this looks like Karen clothes. I'm a Karen. I'm a Karen. Okay, never mind. Never mind of that. I don't know. I need to get bad clothes. Okay, this looks kind of bad, so it's good. Head. Head is kind of bad. I need some head that are bad. Classic heads. This is kind of good. Good, yeah? Yeah, this is good. This man. I'm a man! I'm a man! What the heck is this? Okay, never mind of that. No. Face. I'm gonna leave that. Neck. Leave that. Shoulder. Nothing else. Okay. I don't need this because, you know. What else? I don't know. Never mind of that. Okay, mine's kind of bad. I'm gonna cry right now. I'm laughing and crying right now. This is kind of silly looking, and if I do that, it's so bad. Kind of bad. If they see me ugly, I'm gonna cry right now and say bad things. So what game could I go to? Oh, I could go to Brookhaven. Okay, so it looks like I'm gonna go to Brookhaven. Wait. Classic base, and I'm gonna do this, and I'm gonna go to Brookhaven. Oh, this kind of looks good. I'm gonna do this. So I'm done. This is kinda so looking. So what game could? So this girl. I was doing cancel, but I did an accident and say friend with her. I just want to block her. How could I block her? How could I block her? Never mind. Unfriend. Okay, that's all. I'm done. Okay, I have many friends. That's all bad. I don't really like those people. Those people. This is my girl. This is my friend. I just say girl, and always talk to her on Sunday, and she's my bestie and her. Like she's my best friend, and she always says like, yeah, hi, I'm Sophia, and be nice, don't be mean, and believe in yourself. That's a good one. Okay, I really love yours. She has so much friends. Yeah, sometimes she always in my YouTube channel. I'm gonna say to my friend to watch the YouTube channel, the video and this video, and say, yeah, oh my gosh, she's talking about me. Eee! Okay, that's all. Never mind of that. Brookhaven! Okay, I just did an accident. Sorry about that. My hands are shaking. I don't know why. Okay, now you see my avatar looks kind of bad. Bad. So don't mind of that. Don't mind of that. I'm gonna change my avatar to what I look like, ugly as hell. Oh my gosh, strawberry. Hello. I'm gonna say that. Like I'm gonna say like this. Hello. Okay, never mind of that. What the heck is that? Your mom. No. I have strawberry. I don't know how to spell strawberry. Hi. Could I have strawberry? T-Y. I don't know how to spell. I just want to do it like this. Woohoo! No. Money free? No money free. Okay, I just say that. Hoo 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 hoo. Eee. Do you see my avatar looks kind of bad? Eee. I'm gonna say E. I'm gonna run all the servers. Ooh, 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 ooh. I'm gonna say E. I just say E. So I'm gonna do this. E. Okay, what could I get? This one, because I'm like kind of like that. I'm gonna drink this and put this away with the trash in your head. Just line, guys. Just line. Subscribe, please, subscribe. Never mind of that, guys. So I changed my avatar, that's all. Because, you know what I said? The game, if I lose, if I lose, I'm gonna say hi. I'm gonna say hi. Hi. Why did she not talk? What? Knock, knock, knock. Wait, I need to do the setting. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. I hate this game. This game so bad. Because you know that everybody sucks at me and thought that I'm a bad looking girl with a poor little something. So I'm gonna go to their houses and say, and go, ooh, 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 I just did an accident. Sorry guys. I'm so sorry about that. I'm so sorry. Is she in there? I'm gonna cover it. No, she's not in there. Okay, it looks like nobody's here. I'm gonna wait for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh, my head hurts. I just shake this screen. I'm gonna cry right now. So I'm gonna do this one. I don't know what is that, but it looks like this is the one sneaking. I don't really know. I don't really play the game before. If I got a car, I'm gonna cry right now. If I got a car, what I have to do is hands up, yeah, hands up, hands up. Oh no, she just saw me. Hands up, hands up, hands up. Sorry. I just want to say sorry. Hi. Okay. Thanks. I'm bad at spelling. Can you come here, please? Word. Could you please come here? I'm gonna go fast. I'm bad at spelling words. Here. Okay, I just did some. My car. I need a trigger. What? That is not my car, bro. What the heck? Jesus Christ. I forgot this. Oh, that's not. I'm kinda dumb because I thought that was my car. That really looks like real, really the same. So I'm gonna do something baddie. So I'm gonna put a car. This car. I'm gonna be like a bad driver, and I'm gonna put all the people. Okay. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna crash their heads in this car. Okay, that doesn't work so well as I thought. Shut the heck. I just what the heck. I don't know what I'm talking about. This, I'm stuck, guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, it works. I'm gonna crush. I'm gonna do it again. Ready, set, go. This is so fun. Okay, never mind off that. Oh my god, he's gonna chase me. Don't chase me. Okay, he didn't. What the heck is that? Okay, that didn't work. That didn't work. That was my unlucky day. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna say something bad, but sorry. To eat people. I'm gonna say bad things. I don't know if it works. Do you want to eat people? Oh. Okay, it doesn't work. So. People. Oh my gosh! Sure. Pop. People. People. Eat. Okay. So we're gonna eat some people and go around here. Work, please. We're gonna eat people today. So I'm gonna get this. And I'm gonna give him this one. Hey, I can't give you this. How could I not give you this? What the heck? Is it real? Is it not real? Okay, I'm just kind of dumb. For me, it's kind of dramatic. How could I give him? It's just so hard. Wait, how could I give him? Help me, guys. Okay, I'm gonna give him. Gives him this something. Come, I'm gonna say come. Okay, I can't say come. Come. I can't. What could I say? How could I not say come, bro? Come. 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 We're gonna eat people. I'm gonna say okay. So I'm gonna eat people all the time. Oh, I got some blood in my yeah, I got some blood here. There, I got some blood. I'm gonna lick it. Okay, I'm gonna wash my body with an wash it. I'm gonna put this away. Okay, I'm done. So I'm gonna be bald. I'm bald. Okay, never mind about changes. Okay, guys. So like and subscribe to my channel. I always say our channel, so too much words in this video. In this video, I talk too much. What the heck? Did she just blink? Did she just blink? Never mind. Okay. Bye, guys. So we're twins. I'm gonna say bye. Bye, guys. Okay. This is for you guys. So bye. I could do more videos of this. And bye. Wait. And okay. And bye. Like, subscribe. Many things to say. So bye. I'm gonna change this avatar already now. This is so bad, guys. Bye.